Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about the basic concepts of the power of the lens. Power of lens is the ability of the lens to converge or diverge the light ray passing through it. So we can say that it is the ability to converge or diverge the ray of light falling on the lens. So a lens has more power, it means that its focal length is less, and a lens has less power whose focal length is more. So the power of lens can be defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. So a lens having more power, it means that its focal length is less, or a lens having less power, its focal length is more. So power of lens can be defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. So power of lens can be defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. It is the measure of the amount of light. It is the measure of the amount of deviation of light ray produced by a lens. More the power, more is the deviation. So it is the measure at the amount of deviation of the light ray. So if the angle of deviation is more, it means that the power of lens is the more. Or if the angle of deviation is less, it means that lens has less power. So the power of lens can be defined as the amount of light deviated by a lens. So it can be defined as the degree of convergence or divergence of the lens. So the power of lens is the measure of the degree of convergence or divergence of the lens. So a lens through which light ray deviated more, it means that the power of lens is less, and if the angle of deviation is the less, it means that power of lens is the less. So the angle of deviation, that is the measure of the power of the lens. So it is the measure of the amount of deviation of the light ray produced by the lens. So it can be defined as the reciprocal of its focal length in meter. The focal length should be in the meter. So the reciprocal of focal length is in meter. That is the measures of the power of the lens. So a lens having more power, having less focal length, or a lens having less power, having more focal length. So the power of the convex lens is positive and the power of the concave lens is negative. Power of concave lens is negative and power of convex lens is positive, because the focal length of the convex lens is positive and the focal length of concave lens is negative. So the power of convex lens is positive and the power of concave lens is negative. Now SI unit of power is, power of the lens is diopter. That is the reciprocal of the focal length, or its SI unit is diopter. One diopter, it means that one diopter is the power of the lens whose focal length is equal to 1 meter. So one diopter is the power of the lens whose focal length is equal to the 1 diopter. So that is the 1 diopter is the power of the lens whose focal length is equal to 1 meter. So if f is equal to 1 meter, then the power of lens will be equal to the 1 diopter. So it can be measured as the degree of convergence or divergence of the lens. So when the light ray passes through the convex lens, it deviated from its path by the angle theta, and that ray will converge to the focus. And when ray passing through the concave lens, the ray will diverge from its path. Suppose the angle of deviation is here delta, here angle of deviation is delta. So the if angle of deviation is more, power of lens will be more. Angle of deviation is less, then the power of lens will be less. Now the equivalent power of the combined lenses. If two lenses are kept in contact with each other, then the equivalent power will be equal to the sum of the powers of the individual lenses. So the equivalent power will be equal to the sum of the powers of the individual lenses. Suppose that two lenses of power P1 and P2 are kept in contact with each other, then the equivalent power will be equal to P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 and so on. So equivalent power is equal to the sum of the powers of the individual lenses. Suppose that here two lenses of power, here suppose that two lenses, one power is P1, that is and another power, that is a concave lens. One is convex lens, other is concave lens. That power is P2. Suppose that P1 is equal to 10 diopter and P2 is equal to minus 6 diopter. Then the equivalent power P will be equal to P1 plus P2, or this is equal to 10 diopter plus of minus 6 diopter, or it is equal to here equivalent power that is equal to the 4 diopter. So that here the equivalent power is positive, here equivalent power is positive. It means that this combination will act as a convex lens. So if the two lenses, one concave lens, other convex lens, one power is 10 diopter, that is positive, other power is minus 6 diopter, that is negative. So the equivalent power will be equal to the 4 diopter, that is a positive. Is the positive power, that is a convex lens. So the here combination will behave like a convex lens. Here power will behave like a convex lens. Suppose that, as for example, question is given that now equivalent focal length, now note here, we can write here equivalent focal length. Now we know that P is equal to P1 plus P2, or we can write here P is equal to 1 by F, P1 is equal to 1 by F1, P2 is equal to 1 by F2, and take LCM F1 and F2, that will be equal to F2 plus F1 by F1 plus F2. Now here equivalent focal length F will be equal to F1 into F2 divided by F1 plus F2. That will be equal to F1 plus F2 here. F1 plus product by sum. So this is the equivalent focal length of the two combined lenses that are kept in contact with each other. So now F is equal to F1 plus F2 divided by F1 into F2, 1 by F is equal to, or F will be equal to F1 into F2 by F1 F2, product by sum. So that is the equivalent focal length. So if the two lenses of focal length 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter, so the equivalent power will be equal to, focal length will be equal to 10 into 5 by 10 plus 5, product by sum. Now you will calculate. So by using this formula, we can calculate the equivalent power of the lens, equivalent focal length of the lens, and equivalent power that will be equal to the powers of the combined lenses. Equivalent power will be equal to the sum of the powers of the individual lenses. So if two lenses have different powers, then the equivalent power will be equal to the sum of the powers of the combined lenses. Now suppose that question is that here. Now here question is that one question I am giving you. Suppose that focal length is given 25 centimeter. Now power of lens, what will be the power of the lens? So we have discussed that P is equal to 1 by Fm. Here focal length should be in meter. That will be equal to the 100 by 25. Convert centimeter into meter, it will be equal to the 100 by 25, or 100 by 25 means it will be equal to the 4 diopter. So here the power of lens will become 4 diopter, because focal length is given 25 centimeter, and power is you have to calculate. We know that P is equal to 1 by F in the meter. So the P is equal to 1 by FM, or 25 by 100, convert into centimeter, 100 by 25. Now it will be equal to the 4 diopter. It will be equal to the here 4 diopter. So answer is here 4 diopter. Thank you.